cooling techniques, which is air as well as water. We don't go for the forced cooling system. So here we have different grades of machine, different models. The topmost model called the professional model, which is automated 100%. Next comes the AllRounder, which fits into the all industry segments. And then we have the starters, which is for the machines getting into the entry level of customers. And we're also classifying these machines with respect to the clamping diameter of tools, let's say diameter 3 to 20, and next comes diameter 3 to 32, and the still bigger range is from diameter 3 to 65. So here, our flagship product, it's a video, yeah. And this machine is capable of shrinking different tool holders. For example, you have battery of machines where BT30 or BT40 or HSK, whatever, it is compatible to any range of machine spindle. It goes by the diameter of the tool. You can just select the diameter and put start. And the rest of the thing, machine does it for itself. Immediately after the heating system, the coil goes down for cooling. As I've already explained, we use the water cooling system for cooling. So at any given point in time, even if the operator want to touch the holder also, it is not possible. So diameter 3 to 32, and the bigger range is from diameter 3 to 50 mm. The next range is called the AllRounder model. This is a tabletop semi-automatic model, again a water cooling system. It goes by the different needs of the customer and the different requirement of the customer. So here again we are talking about a water cooling system, but on a tabletop system, more of versatile, where you can place this machine next to the This is not 100% automatic. It is manually, the operator has to bring down the coil and then put start. So all our machines could be a professional to a standard. The heating cycle is about 5 seconds. That's the biggest advantage and the technology of Bilz built in all shrink fit systems. Because it fits into different industry and versatility for all kind of industries. Next we have the starter version, which basically goes into an entry level system where customers, first time users, for example, the customer is not known about the shrink system at all. So this machine is an air-cooled model, tabletop air-cooled model, fits into the sectors where customer is initially started using the shrink. All our shrink fit machine has a similar process of operation. It's very simple and easy. Giving you the convection of heat to carry away the heat. There is a cover which is fitted onto it. So it takes about 3 to 4 minutes, depend on the ambient temperature. We should have a right tool holder for this. So we talk about the shrink fit tool holders now. What are the different forms of shrink fit tool holders what we have? So it's a standard shrink chucks. We call it the regular standard system. We do also have the slimline shrink chucks depending on the application. Heavy duty for aerospace engineering and aerospace machining. We have extensions where you have a deep cavity milling or you need an extended GPLs to work with. We have jet sleeve, which is basically the cooling system which is integrated into the shrink fit systems. MQL, which is getting larger attention in the. So what exactly is TR call it? Unless if you see all those holders, so all these are basically a holder itself is a shrink system. But here, Bilz has developed a collet system for a shrink. So what happens here is, for example, you have 10 machines, and all the 10 machines you may not have a shrink. So again, affordability. The cost of shrink and everything. So customer always say, okay, I have 100 holders of collet chuck. What I do with that? So I can't throw away because these holders are quite new and I need to use it. So Bilz came up with an very important. If you actually look at the Bilz holder, we have certain patents which is built into the Bilz shrink fit system, Bilz shrink fit holder. we call this as a counter-bore system. What happens because we are heating? The moment we heat, the clearance what we talk about in the market, we talk about the technology is about 3-4 microns. 3-4 microns is very, critical to handle. So ultimately you should have an easy process of shrinking in and easy process of, I told in the earlier slides, the TER system of Bilz. So this is a very fascinating product. So I'll just run a video which explains how the TER system basically works. All our which is built in all our machines, and then select which type or which size of collet. It could be ER16, 20, ER32 or ER40, and then select the diameter and then put start. By Shrin technology. Has this particular technology or the product with Shrin system. With different cooling systems and the different product lines what Bilz has, and the finally to conclude on Shrin we had this TER system. Now since I've already explained that Bilz has a flagship manufacturing plant located in Bangalore, and we are proud enough to say that Bilz produces the global requirement of all CNC holders in Bangalore. CNC holders, when you talk about smallest of, let's say, and all our board tolerances made out of H4 tolerance, which is very, very precise in the market today. And all holders are dynamically balanced and also can be further balanced with fine balancing based on the requirement. Since we have plant here, we also can do a lot of specials, custom made solutions. Any questions, please?